Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel deployment failed errors on Vercel in 2026. So if your project is not deploying, showing build errors, or stuck on failure, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open your Vercel dashboard and go to your failed deployment. Then check the build logs carefully to see the exact error. Next, look for code errors like missing files, syntax issues, or broken imports. Fix those in your project and save your changes. Now make sure all dependencies are installed correctly. Sometimes missing packages cause deployment failures. Next, check your build settings in Vercel. Make sure the build command and output directory are correct. Now verify your environment variables. Missing or incorrect variables can easily break deployments. Next, clear your build cache and redeploy the project. This often fixes hidden build issues. Now wait for the new deployment to finish and check if your project is live without errors. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel deployment failed issues. Now your project should deploy smoothly without errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.